Cresswind at Market Common in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina offers several benefits for its residents. Here are just some of the potential advantages of living in this community. Cresswind is designed for active adults age 55 and older, offering a vibrant community that promotes an active and engaged lifestyle. It provides opportunities for socialization, participating in clubs, interest groups, and enjoying various activities and amenities. The community offers a range of amenities and facilities tailored to the needs and preferences of active adults. This includes clubhouse, fitness center, swimming pool, walking trails, tennis courts, pickleball, and more. Such amenities can enhance residents' overall well-being and provide opportunities for staying active and healthy. This means that residents can enjoy a hassle-free lifestyle as the community takes care of the lawn, including your irrigation, and the common area upkeep. It allows residents to have more time focused on the activities that they enjoy and less time on those tedious house chores. Market Common is a sought-after area in Myrtle Beach, known for its vibrant shopping, dining, parks, and entertainment options. Living in Cresswinds at Market Common means residents have easy access to these amenities, and you can get to these amenities using your golf cart. Additionally, Myrtle Beach is renowned for its beautiful beaches, golf courses, and outdoor recreational opportunities, providing a desirable location for retirees and active adults. Cresswind fosters a sense of community and belonging. Living among like-minded individuals in a similar stage of life can lead to meaningful connections and friendships. The community often organizes social events, clubs, and activities to encourage residents to interact and engage with one another. An added bonus is Cresswind has a full-time community/lifestyle director to keep its residents active and social. If you're thinking of moving to the Myrtle Beach area, give me a call at 843-222-7800. I'm Vicki Harvey, owner of Vicki Sells Grand Strand at eXp Realty with 25 years of real estate experience. Thanks for watching.